they catch you. Hi, I'm Steve Holden, and this is my 1967 split-screen camper van. Yeah, I'd been in the same family from 1968 until 2010 when we bought it. The guy I bought it off, he inherited it in the 90s off his father. The first owner had it for a year, and when the Bay came out, he traded it in, and then the guy I bought it off, his father, bought it. So we've got all old photos from the late 60s, early 70s of it being used on holiday. The guy kept a notebook with all the MPGs, what he was getting each year. You know, wrote down what had been replaced. You know, it's never been abused, it's always been garaged. Yeah, I bought it from mid-Wales. He had a gorgeous little farmhouse there, sat in the barn. He didn't use it often, but you know, it had been well loved and well looked after. It's an original Devon interior, so all the interior is original. We've replaced the curtains because they were missing. It has been painted in the past, but apart from that, it's, you know, it's not been messed with. It's still the original 1500 single port. When I was a kid, we always went on holiday to North Wales, and you know, it was always campsite holidays. And you know, you'd see the odd one, and I always thought how cool they were. So you know, I wanted one for a very long time, and you know, ever from being a teenager, and they were always just a little bit out of reach. And then when me and my wife, when we were engaged, just before we got married, we'd been saving up for the wedding, so we decided the money that we'd been saving we could spend on a loan to get a camper van. So 2 months before we got married, we bought this, used this as our wedding car, and then for the honeymoon we toured the Inner Hebrides in it, like 2 dogs. So yeah, it's good. You know, it drove great, and we wild camped on Col. Yeah, really, really good. And you know, we've used it a lot. You know, we've been down to the south of France in it, drove all around there. I've been on over to Amsterdam with my friends for a Volkswagen show, and yeah, you know, just weekends away, even locally, even during lockdown, slept on the driveway in it. So yeah, no, it's good. Yeah, I just think they're cool.
Yeah, very cool. Did you not think it was a risk buying this, getting a loan to buy this just before your wedding?
Probably, no. We could tell it had been very well looked after. I'd looked at quite a few, and all the other ones I looked at they were cheaper and needed a lot of work. Yeah. But you know, I was confident that I could do the work. But I didn't ideally want a project, and this came up for sale. We saw it, rang up. Luckily, it rang up straight away. We arranged to go and look at it at the weekend, and then the following morning, the guy's wife rang me up, said, if you're interested, you better come tonight. There's someone else really interested, because it was quite cheap for what it was. Yeah. So, you know, as soon as I finished work, drove it. It was about a 3-hour drive. Got there, as soon as we pulled onto the driveway, I was like, I'm buying it. To my wife, crawled underneath it. It was in really good condition. You know, you could tell it had been looked after. Yeah. So yeah, no, it was, and it has been great. You know, obviously it's a bit of a risk. Buying any old car's a risk, but it's been really good. Yeah.